Hello everyone, welcome to a more random video that I decided to make. So this video will be about how to apply your screen protector without any dust or bubbles. So first you want to remove your phone case. And second, if you already have a screen protector installed but for some reason it's cracked, then you want to be extra careful. Now remove your existing screen protector, but leave it on the phone so that excess dust wouldn't get on there. Now you want to unbox your new screen protector. Of course, it might not look like what I have here. So you want to take out your screen protector, but be sure not to pull the white tab just yet. You always want to be organized with these type of things, because if you're not organized, you might lose something, or something will be very hard to find later on. Now take off your old screen protector if you have one. And when you unpackage the screen protector packaging, you would probably find a microfiber cloth. But if you have a bigger one, such as the microfiber cloth that comes with your iMac, I recommend you use that. Thoroughly wipe your display, because you don't want any dust to be on your screen when you applied your screen protector. If your screen protector comes with a wet wipe, then I recommend you take it out, but you have to be fast because it dries really quickly. Of course, after you wipe your screen with the wet wipe, you should take your microfiber cloth and remove the liquid. It's recommended if you do this in a bright lighting without any people, because when people breathe, there will be dust that might get on your display. Which is why most screen protectors come with this sticker that you could put on your screen to remove the dust if you see them. Now, my screen protector came with this installer, but most screen protectors don't, because this is fairly expensive. Now you want to be fast. When you pull the white tab, the adhesive will be exposed and dust can get between the adhesive and your phone. If your screen protector doesn't come with an installer, then I recommend you to align your screen protector with your screen from the earpiece. This may be kind of hard, so take your time. 9 times out of 10, there will be a giant bubble in the middle of your screen. But don't worry, this is not permanent. You can easily push it out by using your fingers. But in doing so, you might reveal small bubbles. Again, don't panic, this is not permanent. Continue to push the bubbles out of the phone. It'll take a long time, but eventually it'll disappear. If it's so small and the adhesive won't stay down, then don't worry, because it'll disappear in the next 24 to 48 hours. Continue to wipe your screen clean so you can reveal other smaller bubbles. You shouldn't see any dust or bubbles caused by dusts, because if you followed the instructions, they wouldn't be there. Continue to thoroughly clean your screen and repeat the process. If you see any of the sides not sticking down, you could try to apply pressure with your microfiber cloth, but be sure not to damage the screen protector. If the screen protector still won't stay down, you could go and get yourself an alcohol prep pad. These are for medical uses, but it also works to apply screen protectors. Now, if you're doing this, you might as well just do all sides of the phone. Don't forget to apply extra pressure around the earpiece, because that is usually the hardest part. With that completed, basically all you have to do is just repeat all of the steps until all of the bubbles are gone. But don't worry if some of the smaller bubbles won't go away. They'll go away in the next 24 to 48 hours, like I mentioned before. Please consider liking, subscribing, and even sharing this video to your friends. If you think they'll benefit from this video, then please let them know. It helps everyone, so I don't see why you wouldn't do that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.